Hello everyone, here is an easy to bake Barnyard millet bread shared by Swarna and Raj Chapati. Soak any small millet or siridhanya for 6 hours. Here Swarna is using Barnyard. Save the soaked water for use later and transfer the millets to a processing jar. Grind them to a smooth paste in the processing jar or blender. Transfer the batter into a mixing bowl and keep aside. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or 1 tablespoon of white vinegar in half cup of coconut milk. In a third mixing bowl, take 1/4 cup flaxseed meal and add 2 tablespoons psyllium husk powder. Add 3/4 cup of water into the mix, and you can use the water that you saved from the soaked millet here and give it a good mix. Now add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil followed by 2 teaspoons of palm jaggery syrup. Also add 1 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt and mix up everything well. Now pour the coconut milk lemon juice mixture into the psyllium husk and flaxseed mix and mix it up well. After you've mixed this well, add this to the millet batter. Now add 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda into this mixture. Whisk everything to a smooth consistency. Take a bread pan and grease it with some coconut oil. Transfer the now ready bread mixture into this greased bread pan for baking. You can add any nuts or seeds of your choice. Clearly, Raj and Swarna like sunflower seeds. Preheat the oven to 320 degrees Fahrenheit and transfer the bread batter into the oven for baking. And set the timer for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, test for readiness with a toothpick, and this is how your bread should look. Wow, Swarna and Raj, that looks like an amazingly delicious bread. Raj says that it's a yummy, moist bread and I cannot wait to bake it myself. Thank you, Swarna and Raj, for this amazing recipe.